Hi, I'm Erin Clarke from wellplated.com, and I love oatmeal, but not just any oatmeal. They've got to be steel cut oats. If you think oatmeal is mushy or bland, my bet is that you haven't tried steel cut oats yet. I'm going to show you how to make the perfect pot that's chewy, nutty, and can be topped off with any of your favorite toppings. To start out, we are going to bring 2.5 cups of water and 1 cup of milk to a gentle boil. I like to do a combination of milk and water because it makes the oats a little bit creamier. I'm using almond milk because that's what we usually have in the house, but you can use any kind of milk that you prefer or have on hand. You want to add a good pinch of salt. This doesn't make the oatmeal salty. What it does is perk up its flavor and it keeps it from tasting flat. Next, I'm going to add steel cut oats. What makes these oats different from old-fashioned oats or quick oats is that the oat grain itself is left whole and then it's actually cut with a steel mill. That's where the name comes from. And because the oat is a little bit less processed, it gives you an oatmeal that is much chewier and heartier and has a really wonderful, pleasant texture. I'm just going to whisk these all together. And what you want to do is reduce the heat to a nice simmer. It's going to be kind of tempting to walk away from the pot, but don't do it until it is cooking at just the right temperature or your oats could boil over. Don't ask me how I know. Now I'm going to let my oats simmer for about 20 minutes to get them started. And I'll just kind of go about, do my thing. You don't need to babysit them. Just check on the pan every now and then and give it a stir to make sure that the oats aren't sticking to the bottom. All right, here we are, and as you can see, my oats are starting to thicken up. They're getting creamy, and at this point, it's really up to you to choose your own oatmeal adventure. I like my oats a little thicker and creamier, so in that case, I'm gonna keep cooking them for about 10 minutes. If you like your oats to have a little bit firmer of a texture, they can be done in about 5 additional minutes. Now, because this oatmeal takes about a half hour to cook, it's not something that I would typically do on, say, a busy Monday morning, but I love making a big pot of steel cut oats over the weekend. It's really worth the time, and then because I'm making a great big batch, I can reheat it in portions throughout the week. All right, our oatmeal is perfect. Look how rich and creamy that is. And at this point, again, you can let it cool and then pop it into the fridge for later. You can even freeze it. Oatmeal will freeze for up to 3 months. Or you can do what I'm going to do, which is enjoy a bowl right now. I'm gonna give myself a big serving here. And today I'm in kind of a fruity berry mood. And so I'm sprinkling it with some fresh raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries. You can add chia seeds, flax seeds, some nuts, a little drizzle of maple syrup, really whatever you like. And there you have it, how to make the perfect bowl of steel cut oats, one of my favorite breakfasts and something that you can enjoy all week long. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I'm Erin Clarke, and you can find this recipe and many more at my website, wellplated.com.